had the pain for a while in my hips, like over the last 5 years, but it came on kind of gradually. And then the more I did, it didn't stop me from doing anything, but it was more of a nuisance pain. I'm Gary Blackwell, and I grew up here in Indianapolis. I retired from 35 years on the fire department about 5 years ago. I am 65 years old, and my wife and I raised 4 kids and have 5 grandchildren.
So I met Gary a few years ago. He came to me with one really bad hip. He really couldn't do what he wanted to do. He's a very active man. He has lived an active lifestyle, and he just couldn't do the things he wanted to do anymore. He couldn't ride his bike. He couldn't travel as much as he wanted to, and he was just miserable.
And I just got tired of living with it, hit Medicare, and I thought, well, this is probably a good time to get it fixed because it was, like I said, tolerable, but just standing still would hurt at times.
And honestly, he had 2 bad hips, but only one of them was bothering him at the time. So we fixed that one, and then he got along pretty well. He recovered great. He was motivated. He listened. He did what he was supposed to do. He iced. He didn't get too crazy, even though he's a pretty young guy and he can do a lot of different things. He still followed the protocols, and he still, did what we asked him to do so that he could have 2 great hips for many years.
After the surgery, I was pain-free. And then, my other hip started bothering me 6 months later, and we got that fixed. And I'm pain-free today, and it's only been like 5 weeks.